everyone, it's Stacy from Peony Lane Designs. As you can see, Fluffy is like empty right now, which is so weird for me. It's been a really long time since Fluffy hasn't had anything in it. I'm getting ready for my pop-up sale, the one I'm having by myself. So I have to go get everything out of my booth space so that I have enough stuff for the sale. But I want to show you what it's like to kind of put together a pop-up sale on your own. So I'm going to be filming at the sale, during the sale, setting up the sale, just to show you guys everything. But right now, this is how you start, with an empty van and a goal. So let's go to the shop and fill her up. Okay, so I stopped to get gas and I turned the camera around because there's some other stuff that I thought of that. That's what happens. It's like I've got to drive and think. I have to start thinking about things. But I've already been to the shop once and loaded the van and got that over to where I'm having my pop-up sale, which is my parents' garage. Which you're going, oh, it's a garage sale. No, my parents have like this Jaja garage. It's got a room off the back with these great lights. I mean, it's like a party house. That room is like a party room. So it's going to be really a very nice space. The floors are just gorgeous. I mean, it doesn't look like a garage at all. It's more like the man cave of man caves. My dad has his, it's heated, it's air conditioned. I mean, it's just, it's more than you could want for a sale. So, but it was free. So that's when you're hosting a pop-up sale, bottom line, how much did the space cost you to rent? So this cost me nothing. And they're gonna let me stay at their house so I don't have to pay room. And they're gonna feed me. So I get free food, free board, and a free space to have my sale. But I've already filled up the van once and got a couple loads over there already. Now I have the wine bar that's in my space I want to get out of there, and then I have a butt ton of boxes that I want to get loaded up and over there because I have crates and crates of vintage glassware and things like that, and I've got some chairs I need to get in there and some tables because obviously I need places to stage everything, and vintage chandeliers and lights and all this good stuff. But I have to get rid of some inventory. My sales at Picket Fence have been dismal for a few months. Last month was fantastic. I had a great month last month, and the month before was really good. So it's picking up, but over the summer I had really bad sales. So I'm way behind in my earnings for this year. That's why I'm hosting my own pop-up sale. And then when I went to a pop-up sale in Owatonna, I didn't even pay for my hotel room. You guys, if you haven't seen the video yet, I'll put a link in the card so you can see the video to that where I kind of explain where I just considered it time with my best friend. You know, you have to kind of cut your losses at some point. We go for mommy weekends all the time, and it was a cheap mommy weekend. We'll call it that, because I didn't make any money. I lost money on that weekend. So I'm hoping with this, what's kind of nice is I'm not out anything. So if I sell one thing, I'm ahead. I didn't lose any money. So right now I've got an event page on Facebook that's getting a lot of traction, which is great. I have put up flyers all over the community, and I put up a Craigslist ad. So I've kind of done what I can to advertise on the cheap, and I did do a $10 Facebook advertisement. Yeah, so hopefully I get good sales. Where their house is located, we've had good sales in the past. So I think foot traffic wise, vehicle traffic wise, it's going to be good. We will get bodies in. And even though it's freezing right now in Minnesota, literally it's not even 32 degrees. Road construction, let's not kill these guys. They're not actually doing anything, so I'm not really sure why I just had to slow down, because that's ridiculous. But anywho, So I think there'll be a lot of bodies through the door, and even though it's freezing right now, it's not even 32 degrees. I just got the weather report for next week, and starting on Thursday, which is the first day of my sale, it's gonna be 62 degrees, so yes, people will be out and about. They won't be cocooned at home and baking things. It'll be nice weather. So I won't have to worry about getting Dad's heat rolling. I was thinking that, yeah, I was gonna have to have some heat. But let's go get that bar out of there and get some boxes in here, and we'll head over to Mom and Dad's. Probably not till tomorrow, though. I think I might stay home tonight. But I've been over there every night this week, and starting Sunday, I'm gonna start setting up. Bear with me. See ya. All right, she's in. She fell over already. I forgot to mention, I think I've broken my hand. It's way swollen. I think I broke my thumb knuckle at some point in the last 2 days getting all this stuff done. I don't know, she keeps swelling up and it hurts like crazy. But I can't stop. I think I have to go into urgent care just to get an x-ray. All right, it's in. My booth looks like it's just blank slate for next month, which is cool because we're switching over to Christmas. It's a November sale, which is huge for Christmas. Got to get all my Christmas stuff together right after my pop-up sale and get all that in to pick it. I'm really excited. I like Christmas, so it'll be fun. Yeah, let's get the rest of that stuff loaded into Fluffy and get it over to Mom and Dad's. To prove that it is actually freezing, this is ice on this chair. See? It's below freezing today. Ice, ice, baby. Hey everyone, as you can see, Fluffy the Wonder Van is loaded again. So I'm off to fill up for the sale. This feels more right than an empty van, to tell you the truth. I don't know. It's just a hot mess back there. Look at that. I got to get rid of some inventory though. So I know I didn't pack it quite right, but I'm really tired. So we are on our way. We're going to get on the road, and I'll show you what it's like at the place where I'm having the sale. This is just a lot of work. Just a lot of work. So I'm glad to be getting rid of some stuff though. I'm glad the event stuff is doing well on Facebook. Sorry, I had to hear that. That's my wipers. Yeah, it's not as cold today as it was yesterday, so that's pretty cool. Let's get on the road and just load up the space. All right, I made it. There's some construction going on across the street, but Fluffy and I are here. This is where the entire sale is going to take place. It is huge. Let me give you a tour. Okay, so right now, Mom's car is in here. But this is, a lot of this is going to come down and be covered up. This huge area here, plus check it out. This is all my stuff back here. This is the really cool big windows. It's going to be a cute little boutique area. I'm going to have this all set up so that people can kind of see it as a room. Even though my dad's got his man cave shelves in here, we're going to have to cover those up. They're going to want to buy that Texaco stuff, I can guarantee it. But there's the neighbors having some siding put on, so there's going to be some banging going on. But I'm just going to set you guys up to see what I do. And yeah, you can just watch. See ya. Okay, so I'm here in the garage and got all the stuff in. And that's what it looks like when it starts out. As you can see, it's kind of a hot mess. But I promise this is gonna look like a vintage boutique when we're all done, when all is said and done here. So not to fear, but it was a few loads of stuff. But you know what? It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it, guys. So stay tuned. Visit my blog, PeonyLaneDesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.